Energy has always kept humanity alive, and we've harnessed it to serve us. Nonetheless, the production and consumption of energy has repeatedly posed major challenges. Now, in the midst of climate change, we're again turning to energy for answers. This time, however, we'll do it cleanly. Finland is the most attractive clean energy market in Europe. The amount of wind power produced in Finland is significant, and industrial solar power is increasing rapidly. Reliability, affordability, and cleanliness of electricity transmission and supply are the guiding principles of Fingrid's operations. They play a crucial role in planning new investments, such as new industrial projects, hydrogen production, data centers, and clean energy production. Harsh and challenging conditions have refined our skills to a level that is the best in the world. Built over decades and constantly evolving, the 14,500 kilometres of main grid work like arteries, reliably carrying energy in an uninterrupted flow to wherever it's needed. The growth in renewable energy production affects how the power system is operated. We're at the forefront of development, creating new innovations and working with our customers to ensure that Finland continues to lead the way in clean energy. Electricity is the force that sustains life and progress. At Fingrid, we make sure it's always available. Clean, reliable, and affordable.